Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 28th shloka of Shri Aditya Hrudayam. Etachrutva mahateja nashtashoko bhavattada dharayamasa suprito raghavah prayatatmavan. Etat, this, Shrutva, listening, Mahateja, of God's Son, who has great brightness, Nashtaha, lost, Shokaha, worry, Abhavat, became, Tada, then, Dharayamasa, perfect past tense, third person singular form, Dharaya, to hold, Supritaha, perfect past tense, third person singular form, became happy. Raghavaha, Sri Rama, who is from Raghu family. Prayatatmavan, Sri Rama, who has pure heart. After hearing the words of Agastya about the God's Son, who has great brightness, Sri Rama became out from worry then. Raghava, who has pure heart, became happy and got ready for the battle. ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಆಲಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು, ರಾಘವನು, ಯಾರು ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವವನೋ ಅವನು ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನು ಮರೆತು ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಜ್ಜನಾದನು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.